everyone, I'm Yusu Qian from New York University. Today my topic is gender stereotypes differ between writings by male and female authors. Language models and other applications learn to be biased from the input text datasets. Unequal mentions of a gender-neutral word with male and female words make the word biased. For example, in text datasets, the word engineer is usually more closely associated with male words. This kind of reflects the reality, but the models learn this unequal closeness and resulting in biased applications. We perform experiments on English text datasets only. To evaluate how biased a word is, we count and calculate the co-occurrence of the word with male words and female words. For example, if the word engineer co-occurs with male words 20 times in a text and co-occurs with female words for 5 times in the same text, then the bias score of the word engineer is 4. The overall bias score of a text is the average bias score of all the gender-neutral words in the text. We performed experiments on 2 different datasets. One is an existing blog author profiling dataset, and the other is a Gutenberg novel dataset consisting of 5,000 novels collected by ourselves. The results on both datasets show that the bias score of writings by male authors are much larger than the bias scores of writings by female authors. We are not sure what is causing this difference. We assume that probably because male authors create more male characters, or it's because they focus on male characters more. In the follow-up work, we use this quantified gender bias to perform author gender classification. We show that this feature outperforms features proposed in previous works. We would also like to mention that our result contradicts with the results in a 2016 paper by Ethan Fast at Stanford University, who suggests that there is no such difference. We are inspired by their paper and cut down our novel dataset into shorter sub-datasets and find out that indeed, when the text length is shorter than 1,000 words, the difference is not prominent enough to be used to classify author gender. However, when the length of the text exceeds 2,000 words, then the accuracy of author gender classification using quantified gender bias only is steadily above 0.7. That's all. Thank you.